Hello, and welcome to Pictor Network Testnet on Aptos. This is an open campaign where anyone can join to render jobs, contribute GPU, or explore the network. And the best part is that you will earn points for every contribution. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you on how to join as a creator to render 3D jobs and earn points. To get started, head over to pictor.network and click Launch App. You'll be taken to the Pictor Testnet page. Next, sign in with your Google account or connect an Aptos wallet, such as Petra. In this tutorial, we'll use Google. By signing in with Google, a keyless Aptos wallet is automatically created for you, powered by Aptos Connect behind the scenes. Just a heads up, before submitting a job, you'll need credits. And there are two ways to get them. First, go to the rewards section and complete tasks to earn free credits. Please note that claiming credits from check-in tasks is not a sponsored transaction, so you'll need a small amount of APT to cover the gas fee. Second, go to the credit section and deposit USDT via the Aptos network. Just follow the on-screen steps to buy credits from your wallet. Once you've got credits, head over to the rendering section to start your first job. On the left side, you'll see the 3D rendering service with a list of supported software. However, during our testnet, we will let you test Blender first. To proceed, click Start Rendering, select Blender, and then hit Render Now to submit your job. Now, upload your job data either by files or folders. You can also sync the sample files here to test things out. Then, select the blend file to start setting things up. First, go to Render Settings. Give your job a name, choose the Blender version, and configure other settings like render engine, output format, resolution, etc. Next, go to Payment Settings to choose how you'd like to pay. Note that you'll need at least 1 credit to submit a job. Finally, review everything on the summary page. If everything looks good, go ahead and submit it. Your job will be sent to our network of workers to process. You'll earn points for every job rendered. The number of points depends on the rendering cost, so feel free to check our docs for more information. To track your points, head to the rewards section in the dashboard. There are also several ways to earn more points during the testnet. Check out our docs to see all the details. And don't forget that the more points you earn, the higher you'll climb on the global leaderboard. And that's it. You're all set to join the Pictor testnet as a creator. Go ahead, submit your jobs, and see you in the leaderboard.